Hi, this is Joe with PulseTV.com bringing you a deal today you're going to love. This is the microwave pressure cooker. This combines the convenience of your microwave with the quality food you're going to get out of a pressure cooker. Now what's going to happen when you get this guy in the microwave is that the airtight seal is going to create a lot of steam and a lot of pressure, which is going to cook your food in about half the time. But don't worry about it, this heavy-duty BPA-free material can handle it. Today we're going to do smothered chicken with mushrooms. Now this product is actually very simple to use. All you have to do is twist the top open, just that easy. Put all of your ingredients right in the same pot, one pot cooking. Tighten the lid back up, pop it in the microwave, set your timer, and you're ready to go. In addition to this beautiful pressure cooker, you also get some added features. For example, the steamer tray and this food tray that you can use to cook individual food items that you don't want to pressure cook all together. Of course, you also get this instruction book, which includes over 40 recipes to get you started right out of the box. Now, after 20 minutes in this little beauty, this is what came out. And remember, I didn't have to touch it after it went into the microwave. And let me tell you, it smells good. So if you want yours, click on the link, head over to the site, and pick up yours today. Abbondanza.